Greta the grasshopper is trying to reach a lily pad 2023 paths to the right. Let's see if we can help Greta reach it as fast as possible in this problem from the 2023 AMC 8. So Greta the grasshopper sits on a long line of lily pads in a pond. From any lily pad, Greta can jump 5 pads to the right or 3 pads to the left. What is the fewest number of jumps Greta must make to reach the lily pad located 2023 paths to the right of her starting position? So fewest number of jumps, 5 right or 3 left. Those are our two possibilities. So if you can imagine this, we have a number line and we're starting at 0, let's say. And we're trying to go 2023 paths to the right. So we're trying to go to 2023. On any given move, we either add 5 by going 5 right or subtract 3 by going 3 left. So now the key thing is we're trying to minimize number of jumps. So how should we do this? Well, the trick for these types of problems is we're trying to minimize the number of backwards jumps. Because the more backwards jumps, that's basically extra jumps and we're going back. So we want to make as few of these negative jumps as possible and as many of these jumps as possible. But the thing is, what happens if we only have plus 5 jumps? We'll go to 5, then 10, then 15, then so on, then 2020 eventually, then 2025. Oh, so we'll skip over 2023 if we just take plus 5 jumps. So we need some minus 3 jumps so that we can land exactly on 2023. So we want to, but even though we need some of these minus 3 jumps, we want to take as few of them as possible. Just the bare minimum amount so that we can reach 2023. So we minimize the number of jumps needed. Okay, so let's say we have 405 of these jumps that move 5 right. So 405 of these plus 5 jumps. Well, that will take us to, or let's say we have 405 of these plus 5 jumps will take us to 2025. And like I said earlier, that's above 2023. Okay, so notice that if we only take these jumps, we'll only land on multiples of 5. Correct? So by subtracting 3, we're essentially changing our position. We're changing the remainder of our coordinate when the remainder is divided by 5. So let's say our coordinate over here, it's x, right? Now x is moving along, plus 5, minus 3, whatever it might be. If we just take plus 5 jumps, our x coordinate will always be a multiple of 5. But when we go backwards, our x coordinate will change. The remainder when x is divided by 5 will change. So for example, let's say what happens if we go plus 5 and then we go back 3. Now we're at a point 2, which leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by 5. So the key thing here is that the reason we can't reach 2023 with only plus 5 jumps is because 2023 is not a multiple of 5. So we need some minus 3 jumps so that we can change, so we can actually reach 2023. Okay, so what happens if we have 1 minus 3 jump? So let's say we have A jumps that are plus 5, and then we have B jumps that are minus 3. And we're trying to find such that this is 2023, potentially. This is a Diophantine equation, isn't it? Okay, so we're trying to minimize the value of B. So let's just explore all values of B. If B equals 0, we already found that doesn't work because then A times 5 has to be 2023, but that's not a multiple of 5. Okay, so what if B is 1? Then we have 5A minus 3 is 2023. Or 5A is 2026. So 5A 2026. Does that work? Well, it would be 2023 plus 3. Does that work? Well, it actually does not work because 2026 is not a multiple of 5. So B equals 1 is still not enough backwards jump. Let's try B equals 2. That will make 5a minus 6 is 2023, or 5a is 2029. That also doesn't work since 2029 is not a multiple of 5. Now let's say 3 backwards jumps. That makes it 5a minus, 3 backwards jumps is 2023. That doesn't work since 5a must be 2032 then. Now what about 4 backwards jumps? Equals 2023, right? Because 4 times 3, which means 5a is 2035. And that makes, if we divide by 5, we get a equals 407. And of course we have over here, b equals 4. So, therefore, this does work, because 2035 is a multiple of 5, so we get a valid value of a and a valid value of b, such that we reach 2023. And is this the minimum number of jumps? Yes, because we already explored all the possibility where the number of backwards jumps is even less, right? So with the minimum number of backwards jumps possible is 4. There are other possibilities with, let's say, 9 backwards jumps, but the thing is, for those backwards jumps, those will have more moves, because we'll need more moves because we have more backward jumps. So the answer is just 407 plus 4, which is 411. And that is the answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed.